y'all, it's your girl Lila now, and I'm back with another one. Today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on how I installed this wig and got these curls and everything like that. So if y'all want to see, stay tuned. What is up, Nate Nation? It's your girl Lila now, and I'm back with another banger for y'all. And today y'all already know what we're doing by the title of this video, so we're gonna jump right into it. So I already got my bald cap method on. Now I'm using the foundation powder the same color as my skin tone, and I'm going to put that all over the front of the bald cap. The wig I'm going to be using today is provided by Luvme Hair. Y'all, I really enjoy working with Luvme Hair. This is like the third wig I tried from them, and I'm loving it so far. A review is going to be coming out on this wig in a couple days, so make sure you hit that bell and subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. But now I'm cutting the lace straight down the middle. I'm cutting the excess lace off where the ear tabs will be at. I usually cut the extra lace off around my ears after I glue it down, but I feel like when I do it that way, I have to go back in and add more glue and lay down my ear tabs again. So I figured this time I'll cut them off first and see if I like this way better, and I do like this way better, so I'm going to be cutting the ear tabs off first from now on. Now I'm going to take some bold hold lace glue, and this is the only lace glue I tried ever since I started using glue, and I really like it. One thing that it does do is give me like little bumps, like blackheads, and it gave my mother blackheads and like whiteheads around her hairline too. But I don't know if it's just our skin or whatever, but that is one thing that this glue does do, is give you bumps on your hairline. So I'm working from one side to the other, so I'm going to start on this side, and I put a thin layer of glue. Now I'm spreading it out with the end of my comb, and I'm going to let that dry all the way until it turns clear, and I'm going to do one more thin layer, spread it out, and let that dry, and I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. So once the glue turns all the way clear, I'm going to lay the lace down. Now I cut the part out of me laying the lace down. I don't know how. I don't know where the clips went, but they're not here, and I'm so sorry about that, y'all. But I'm going to be doing another detailed video on how I lay my lace, so make sure you stay tuned for that. But now I had tied the hairline down. I sprayed some Got to Be glue spray, and I blow dried it on the cool setting. Now I'm using a razor I got from the beauty supply store, and I'm using like jagged motions. Like, I really cannot explain how I'm cutting this lace off, but I'm really just moving the razor like up and down and dragging it to cut it. And I'm doing that so it won't have like a straight edge, but it'll have more of a jagged edge, because that gives the lace a more of a natural look, if that makes sense. Now I sectioned off a thin layer of hair from the front where I will be doing my baby hairs, and I'm using the same razor to trim the baby hairs, because the same as it goes for the lace, I don't want a straight edge on my baby hairs. I want it to be more natural looking. Now I'm using my little edgy brush I got from the hair store, and I'm using some Lotta Body foaming lotion, aka mousse, and I'm trying to figure out exactly how I want my swoops, like where I want them and everything like that. And then once I figure that out, I'm going to spray some Got to Be glue spray on the brush, and I'm going to brush my baby hairs in place. So I can't really explain exactly how I do my baby hairs, but you just want to go in a swooping motion and use your other finger to like hold it in place while you swooping it. Oh my god, this is so hard to explain. I'm just gonna let y'all watch. Okay, so the baby hair is looking nice and laid or whatever. Now I'm going to take some concealer on this angled brush from Wet n Wild, and I'm going to put a little bit of concealer on my part just to define it more and make my part pop out. Alright, y'all, we almost done. I'm going to take some heat protector and run that all throughout the hair to protect the hair from the flat irons and to get rid of that frizzy look that we got going on. Get rid of all the flyaways and just make my hair look nice and silky and bouncy. Now I'm going to start doing my curls. I just sectioned off a piece of the hair and I put the flat on onto the hair, and then I turned it towards away from my face. When you curling, you want to make sure you curl away from your face and just grab the hair as you tapping it open and shut. Just grab the hair and make sure the hair was going through the flat on. And that's the best way I can explain how to curl with flat ons. But I'm just gonna let y'all watch me do a couple more curls so y'all can get it. But that's the best I could explain it, y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, so I look like somebody's grandmother right now, but I'm not gonna write that for long, period. I'm taking this wide tooth comb and I am going to comb my curls out while running my finger through them. And I'm just gonna, comb it into place. Spray some Got2b glue spray to get rid of those little flyaways and to keep my curls in place and intact all day, period. And yeah, I'm gonna let y'all finish watching because it's not really too much to explain about this part. I'm just combing the curls out. Alright, y'all, so the curls is popping. Now I'm ready to take this elastic band off my edges and show y'all the baby heads, how they look or whatever. They look cool. I overplucked the lace. It's a long story, y'all, but this wig was a struggle, but I still made it. I made it work. I finessed it. I'm the queen of finessing. that is how I got this look. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell so you don't miss an upload. And I'm gonna have the wig linked down below so you can go get it if you would like. Use my code Layla now for 20% off. And yeah, that's it. Bye, y'all.